Oral-B dental floss for braces, Super Floss pre-cut strands, mint, 50 count, pack of 2. Stiffened end to floss under appliances. Spongy-floss to clean around appliances and in wide spaces. Regular floss to help remove plaque under gumline. 100 pre-cut strands. Mint flavor. Oral-B Super Floss is ideal for cleaning braces, bridges and wide gaps between teeth. Its 3 unique components, a stiffened-end dental floss threader, spongy floss and regular floss, all work together for maximum benefits. Ideal for cleaning braces, bridges and wide gaps between teeth. Allows you to floss under appliances. Cleans around appliances and between wide spaces. Removes plaque under the gumline. Supplies you with pre-measured strands. Oral-B Super Floss is ideal for braces, bridges and wide spaces between teeth. Its 3 unique components, a stiffened-end dental floss threader, spongy floss and regular floss to remove plaque, all work together for maximum benefits. Top reviews from the United States. Best find ever. I have 2 bridges that the typical blue plastic ones are almost impossible to use. I found these threaders which have a more fine point to get through those tiny spaces. I love them.